Vaishnavi from Ad Gully, and you are watching Ad Gully Showbiz. We have Sameer sir, Nidhi, and Anshuman with us. Sorry. So let's start. So they are coming up with the show called Moonwalk on 20th December, only on Jio Cinema. So the trailer of Moonwalk is packed with the humor, quirky characters. So when did you read the first script? What was your reaction?
She has a very good story in this one. You must tell her.
Yeah. No, I got called by multiple people. My first meeting was with Jio.
Okay.
Because at that time, I had just done Apharan, और उसका second season आया था. So we were in conversation, and then they said there is something we want to talk to you about. बात हुई, and I actually liked the other character.
Okay.
The other girl who's not been revealed yet.
Oh, I thought you want to be my character.
Yes, of course. The other girl. You are the girl. Yeah, that is the show.
That is actually a girl.
He's actually a girl. Yeah. So
emotionally, mentally.
Completely. And I went to Ajay sir, who's our director. First thing I said that Azmat is more me, and उन्होंने बोला नहीं, आप चांदनी हो. अब आप चांदनी की तरह सोचना शुरू कर दो. So then that's how it kind of happened. But obviously, as I slipped into it, I just started having a lot of fun with it. And I had such amazing co-actors. I knew him, I didn't know. But it just chance की बात हो गई.
Now she only knows him.
अच्छा.
So सबसे लेट कास्टिंग मेरी है, तो उस हिसाब से मुझे ज़्यादा सोचने समझने का मौका नहीं मिला था. जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ा तो जो कि प्राइमा अंडरस्टैंडिंग जिस स्क्रिप्ट के साथ थी कि ये पागलपंथी है. जिस तरीके की पागलपंथी और दीवानापन जो ढूंढ के लाए हैं ये राइटिंग में जो, हाँ वो क्रेजीनेस है कंप्लीट. तो वो आप जब देखते हो वहाँ पे तो यू डेफिनेटली यू गॉट इंट्रीग्ड, बट यू आर स्पेक्टिकल अबाउट दैट थिंग वेदर इट इज गोइंग टू work with you or not, because somehow with the eye of audience you see yourself like that whether even though you have spent your life on stage doing that thing only, but you doubt yourself that without prep without prep going for any kind of that kind of craziness, in that craziness it's really tough and daunting task for me. So but somehow because of the great actors, because of the great support from the director and the belief there, I somehow find my rhythm now.
And sir, for you?
Again, ma'am, I really enjoyed the script. I met up with Mr. Bhuyan, and as I was saying, I read the title saying Moonwalk. I thought it's a dancing film, Moonwalk, Michael Jackson, but it wasn't that. It was a very interesting storyline on a tri-party kind of an agreement made between three parties, saying that we will all try doing a big robbery, and whoever does it will get the girl. And the girl was, pulling out all her weapons to say, "You guys must go and get this for me." और वो जाके चोरी करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. वहाँ पर कमोड भाई साहब बीच में आ जाते हैं, फिर वहाँ से नेकलेस आ जाती है बीच में, फिर फाइनली एक मून रॉक आ रहा है बीच. I was like, by the time I went to the half the script, I'm saying this is nuts. ये तो पागलपंती है. This is something that I have to be a part of because I love watching films like these. I mean, I'm a huge Guy Ritchie fan, the Coen brothers, and ये पूरा जो एक ensemble था, what they were doing with all the actors, the characters in it was just reminded me of all those films I watched while growing up. So I had to say yes to it.
Okay, so the trailer is already out and we have watched it. So
what did you think of it?
Good. मतलब जैसे आप डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हो वैसे ही है. मतलब समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है?
Like moon walk हो रहा है, then again चोरी हो रही है, then कमोड आ गया, then suddenly moon आ गया. So it's completely like that. तो आप लोगों का क्या रिएक्शन था ट्रेलर पे? ट्रेलर पे क्या रिएक्शन था?
ट्रेलर पे वही आप पूरी कहानी आप जानते हो, आप चाहते हो कि जेस्ट किसी तरीके से बाहर आए, क्या मूड है वो ट्रेलर किस लिए है? उस मूड को समझने के लिए, उस जेस्ट को समझने के लिए. तो मुझे लगता है कि इससे बेहतरीन तरीके से नहीं बाहर आ सकता था, क्योंकि जिस तरीके का मैंने बोला ना कि क्रेजीनेस है, जिस तरीके का प्लॉट ट्विस्ट है, वन आफ्टर अनदर, एंड यू विल नॉट श्योर दैट आप चलते कहीं और पे हो, पहुंचते कहीं और पे हो, और उस पहुंचने के दौरान बहुत सारी मज़ेदार चीज़ें होती हैं, उस पूरे मज़े लिए गए हैं उस चीज़ को. तो वो चाहते थे कि वो जो मज़े लिए गए हैं वो सिर्फ हमारे लिए नहीं हो और दर्शकों को समझ में आए.
करेक्ट.
तो प्राइमर रिएक्शन हमें आप लोगों से ये समझना था कि वो आया, और जब जो जितने भी जानकार हैं, सिनेमा लवर्स हैं, उनके तरफ से जो भी ये रिएक्शन जो कमेंट्स वगैरह आए, उससे तो यही लगा कि कहीं ना कहीं बात पहुँच गई है ट्रेलर के थ्रू. अब पूरी कहानी में घुस के उसका मज़ा ले लोग तो बेहतर है.
I got the word very interesting from everybody saw it. Yes. Looking very interesting.
Yeah,
it made me feel good.
Like recently you've not heard of anything like that.
So it's nice. Yeah.
देखिए सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा ये है कि ये लगेगा पागलपन, ये क्रेजीनेस लगेगी, लेकिन कोई भी ऐसी चीज नहीं है कि जो नहीं होती है दुनिया में। वो वही सारी चीजें वहां पे है, पर वो होने का जो समय का प्रावधान उसके साथ जुड़ा हुआ है ना, कि किस समय हो रही है और वो क्या चीजें पैदा कर रही है उस मोमेंट पे, और जो खास 10 कैरेक्टर्स हैं इस वेब सीरीज में, उन खास कैरेक्टर्स से उस चीज का क्या उनके चीज जिंदगी में भूचाल आ रहा है या नई चीजें ऐड हो रही है, यही खूबसूरती है और वो ट्रेलर में सामने दिख रही है।
काफी रियलिस्टिक क्रेजीनेस है इसमें।
Yes, that's the
डे
word.
टू डे लाइफ के लिए। Okay, the film is revolving around the unique heist of a golden commode and a priceless necklace. So how did you all react to this hilarious concept? मतलब commode और necklace का कुछ।
देखिए बड़े आप ही बताइए।
देखिए मतलब स्क्रिप्ट में वो लिखा है कि कमोड कोई चुरा रहा है, कोई मतलब नेकलेस चुरा रहा है, कोई मतलब आसमान से कुछ गिर रहा है जमीन पर। इट वाज ऑल सो अनरियल। होता है ना कि आपको कभी-कभी जब इतना कुछ अनरियल होता है तो आपको लगता है ये कैसे बनेगा यार। हाउ विल द डायरेक्टर कन्विंस पीपल दैट दिस इज ऑल हैपनिंग? बट द डायरेक्टर वाज सो कन्विंस्ड इन द स्टोरी, ही वाज कन्विंस्ड इन द फैक्ट कि ये सारी चीजें होंगी। और एक ऐसा पागल आदमी है जो मैडी शर्मा जो हाइस्ट करता है, ही थिंक्स ही इज अ कॉन मैन एंड वेरी सुआव एंड फ्लैम्बॉयंट, बट उसकी अलग कहानी चल रही है। इन भाई साहब की अलग कहानी चल रही है। She is out there, controlling of these guys, but she also wants something else. So everybody has their own personal interests, or I think it's a story about people more than anything else. It's about these crazy human beings and how they are all going through their own personal dilemmas in life, or all these incidents happen along the way. चाहे वो heist हो, चाहे robbery हो, चाहे प्यार हो, चाहे discovering an opportunity to make great wealth.
Conviction. Yeah, please. Please.
Look at him, how good he is.
My biggest quest with my character was like, who does this?
Yeah.
Who does this? Like, who are these men who are fighting like that? मेरा तो पहले मेरे को ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता, ऐसा होता ही नहीं है and all of that. So I was like, oh, this is too much cinematic liberty and all of that. So he's like, just Ajay sir is like, just Google.
Yeah.
Wild things people have done for love and all that. So, but initially only कुछ ऐसा आया, फिर मैंने बंद कर दिया. I was like, I don't want to read.
What are some
all that murder and whatnot. Yeah, like passion, got crime of passion and all that stuff. So I was like, okay, I don't need to get there. He's like, don't make it so dark, just keep it very surface level. Because she wants the biggest deal. उसको biggest deal चाहिए. It's not about the guy. For her, it's about herself.
Yeah.
So obviously, for me, that was my search. To find that reason, to find that. So I struggled a bit in the beginning.
कन्विक्शन एक चीज होती है कहीं ना कहीं वो स्क्रिप्ट में डायरेक्टर के थ्रू ही आती है। आपको एक फिल्म याद होगी जिसमें अमिताभ बच्चन एक डॉल्फिन से बात करते हैं, एनी इमोशनल अजूबा, यस राइट फिल्म। तो डॉल्फिन से बात करते हैं और वो मोमेंट इमोशनल मोमेंट्स हैं और उसको आप बिलीव कर रहे हो उस मोमेंट पे। तो यहाँ पे तो जो भी हो रहा है रियलिटी के साथ हो रही है, उसके साथ जो सिचुएशन बन रहे हो फनी क्वर्की और बहुत सारा फन लेके आ रहे हैं, तो वो रियलिटी हम लोगों के कैरेक्टर्स रियल हैं, सिचुएशंस अनरियल होते चले जाते हैं और जिस पे आपको लगेगा कि हाँ ऐसा हो सकता है, लेकिन वो कमोड आपको पता चले कि इतना महंगा है कि एक इतने महंगे नेकलेस के साथ कोई कंपटीशन में आ रहा है तो कमोड आ रहा है, तो ये अपने आप में कॉमेडी है कि मतलब और एक अलग तरीके का सब्जेक्ट बन के सामने आ रहा है।
Yeah, so how is the metaphorical representation?
Yes, shit happens.
Shit happens.
Okay, so how was the overall experience working together as a team? Any fun movement or
The three of us together as a team? She hated the both of us.
Yeah, horrible.
So okay, any fun moment or bloopers behind the scenes जो याद है?
Every scene was a blooper because somebody or the other would start laughing.
मैं आपको सच्चाई बता दे रहा हूँ, हर सीन ना ब्लूपर है अगर जो एक तरीके से देखा जाए, क्योंकि जो सीन का कॉन्सेप्ट है और जब सीन रिहर्स होके जो बाहर निकल के आ रहा होता है तो वो अपने लेवल को, अब एक होता है ना कि लेवल से ऊपर गया। कई बार मुझे जो ऑन सेट जो लाफ्टर्स मिले हैं ना वो अपने आप में ही, आप एक थिएटर एक्टर से पूछ रहे हो कि हमेशा ये हमको लगता है कि हमने काम किया उसके लिए 1 साल 6 महीने वेट करके उसका रिस्पॉन्स लेते हैं, लेकिन ऑन सेट जब लोग मतलब इनके पीछे हंसते हंसते एक लड़का गिर गया तो वो आप अपने आप में एंजॉय करने वाली चीज़ है कि क्या खूबसूरत चीज़ वहाँ बन रही होगी। तो अब वो दर्शकों का एक अलग होता है कि कई बार आप चीज़ें एंजॉय करते हो, पब्लिक कितनी एंजॉय करते हैं इस पे भी डिपेंड करता है, पर हमारा बिलीफ तो इस चीज़ पे है कि मतलब जितनी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हुई हैं, जो इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें हुई हैं, जो इम्प्रोवाइजेशंस हुए हैं, वो सीन को अलग लेवल पे लेके गए हैं। तो ढेर सारे हैं और एक का नाम लेके मैं उनका निंदा नहीं करना चाहता।
So like she was saying you are the biggest prankster. तो ऐसा कौन सा प्रैंक इन्होंने किया है मतलब सेट पे, ऑन सेट?
just generally he would like always
सेट
have
के माहौल को बरकरार रखते हुए जो कर सकता था मैंने सब
that's
कर
true
लिया।
actually that's true and he would
Also,
keep everybody like laughing.
टाइमलाइंस पे हम काम कर रहे थे वो इतने प्रैंक
Yeah, we would be like sleeping for like
Okay.
2 hours and going back
long work schedules. We were in
एक्चुअल
Lucknow,
लोकेशंस
hot.
थे। रामपुर के चोरों की कहानी है, मतलब मैं रामपुर का ही एक जगह है वहाँ का चोर हूँ, तो वो एक्चुअल लोकेशंस पे हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे और वहाँ तक पहुँचने में मुद्दा जज्बा सब कुछ लगता है भाई।
yeah, like outskirts of Lucknow like हम लोग we
और
were
गर्मी भाई
गर्मी।
oh
So, what was the most challenging or memorable scene to the shoot of each of you?
I think one of the funnest scenes I shot was with my, I mean, great scenes with both of them. Fun scenes, really fun scenes. But the one scene I really enjoyed was the scene with my mother.
Okay.
She's Shiba Chadha in the show. She's such a wonderful actress. And it's very strange, I was looking at her and then suddenly Ajay Bhuyan walked up to us and said, you know, you guys have similar eyes. You actually could look like mother and son if you look closely at you. I started looking at her, she started looking at me. I go, हाँ mummy. She said, नहीं भाग यहाँ से. So there's one scene I did with her where I have to break down emotionally in front of my mother.
Yeah.
And I actually was breaking down, but people are laughing because the scene was like that. So that was a memorable scene, I think, for me. You guys?
Okay, yours?
there's no one scene in particular. I just had such a blast on set. So honestly speaking, like everything, it just, and honestly speaking, the scenes are so very unheard of. Like, you know, the writing is very different, and also as the scenes would progress, it would be like, oh, this one's done and this was good, it went smoothly, you know that. So at every scene, I think in general, I would have this kind of panic when I would come in, and then I would be like, oh, it's done.
That scene was great, the one you shot of the knife on the dining table.
Yeah.
You know, in this particular series, I see
kept poking
characters.
Shiba with
I
a
don't
knife.
see actors there. I see characters, and every character is bringing something. Like in that courtroom scene where I got convicted. In that scene also, that actor, I have worked with him twice or thrice, and he is fantastic. So every time a new actor is coming, bringing the new energy, and every time I had blast. Okay. So there are so many, and they all are coming with ideas, and our director is so, you know, open in that regard that yes, if it is working, it is working.
Yeah.
So bring those ideas, and when you understand that camaraderie, that understanding of, you know, essence of that thing, that you are free to do anything. So every time there was new experience coming out. So blast or laughter is the constant thing happening over there. I don't know how audience will perceive or receive it, but the total fun was there. Still, I said that thing. It was, I think, 60 days shoot there, and I went crazy on because I don't want to leave the set. Every time there is new ideas, new things, new understanding, new classes are going on. Even I did a scene with Robin Das sir. I did a scene with Gitanjali ma'am, and they are, you know, school of acting. You understand.
Fabulous actors, yeah.
Fabulous actors. So there is good learning there.
And we used to have such a good time on set. Like I remember, he was shooting, I had a day's break, and Neha had a day's break, and we both called for the gaadi, and we were like, take us to set. We came to set, we were just sitting on set. Although we could have done so many things, we were like having such a blast over there. So
me
we
and
would do
Prateek
things
Pachori,
like that.
who is, you know, his partner, his gang, in my gang. We to had crazy fun. मतलब we were giving and मतलब we were exchanging ideas like anything. My director got confused कि भाई इनको रोकना पड़ेगा, ऐसा हो गया था जी सर।
फैले जा रहे हैं
बहुत ज़्यादा फैल रहे हैं ये लोग। फिर वो प्रिसाइज करते थे, फिर उसमें खेला जाता था। तो फन तो बहुत ज़्यादा किया।
Okay. So how do you think audience will connect with the moonwalk? What makes it a must watch?
Every human being has little bit of craziness inside them, and that crazy quirk is inside them. And if you like to explore outside the universe, you need to reach to the moon and bring the stone from there. So this is, you know, unique and different concept. It will, you definitely brings new flavors, new charm in your life. So I see कि moonwalk तो work करेगा ही करेगा, ऐसा मालूम होता है।
Absolutely.
Nice.
What about
nicely
you?
said. I feel we all need entertainment in our lives, no matter at what juncture we are. Whether we are very sad, we are very happy. Entertainment is always welcome, and this is a truly entertaining show. There is nothing predictable that's going on, and you're kind of always wondering what's going to happen next. So I would suggest stick by the show. It will be a ride. It's trippy. Sometimes it'll be weird. Sometimes it'll be confusing. Sometimes it'll be exhilarating. But you're going to have a blast. So
I agree with whatever they've said. But I just want to say that, you know, it's the year end.
Yeah.
20th of December, छुट्टियों का time शुरू हो रहा है. It's a good
Absolutely.
time to spend time at home with your families, with your loved ones. And this is a very easy watch. It's
हंसते-हंसते साल को खत्म
हंसते-हंसते
कीजिए।
साल को खत्म कीजिए आप. और हमने
Absolutely.
मतलब अपनी पूरी एफर्ट लगाई है. हमारे डायरेक्टर ने एक बहुत बढ़िया स्क्रिप्ट को एक एक बहुत अच्छे तरीके से बनाया है. And we're very proud of what we've done.
Also, it's very slick, huh?
Yeah,
It's very slick.
It's easy.
Yeah.
It's very quirky, as she said.
Quirky with music with Sneha Khanelkar is there.
Sneha Khanelkar's
So-
music, my
A
God.
slice of life for everything. I think lots of various different genres that are put together into one. So watch Moonwalk 20th.
Yeah,
20th December,
20th of
guys.
December.
20th. देखना.
Okay. So if you could, okay, so this is the offbeat segment we are starting. Like I have 3 questions for offbeat. So if you could steal one thing in real life, fictional or real, what would it be?
I will steal Moonwalk. Moonrock.
Moonrock.
Moonrock बहुत महंगा होता है मेरी
बहुत
जिंदगी
महंगा
बदल
भाई।
जाएगी। 25-30 फिल्में अपने अपने हिसाब की मैं खुद प्रोड्यूस कर दूंगा उसके।
बस अभी मस्क साहब के पास भाग रहे हैं ये कि उनसे कुछ मिल जाए उनको कि वहाँ पर पहुँच के ले आए वापस.
बस।
ठीक है.
Yeah.
What do you steal?
I would wait for the best deal to come through.
ये
And-
बिजनेस पर्सन.
Yeah.
ये को जहाँ से धंधा अच्छा मिलेगा ना वहाँ जाएंगे आप. उसको नहीं जा रहे
Yes.
हम.
Best deals should come through. No stealing, nothing. Just come to me.
Okay.
Yeah, I got a thing. As a child, I always wanted to be as good as, or I love Diego Maradona, and I'm a football player.
Oh.
So I would like to steal his footballing skills, and then go back to being 18 and play football again.
Wow, nice.
Yeah.
So who's more likely to crack up or forget lines during the scenes, and you?
Crack up. I don't know.
Crack.
Forgetting lines or she won't
Forgetting
forget?
lines, we would all remember our lines. And remember, we would improvise also. We bring more.
On the spot.
Yeah, we would. All of us would improvise a lot because we were also given that liberty. Actually,
Okay.
credit to them. But yeah, I would crack up very easily. So
Okay. So if you had a golden commode at home, where would you keep it, and how would you show it off to your guest?
मैं उसको उसकी जगह पे ही
Right.
रखूंगा और मैं कहूँगा कि भाई मैं इस पे अपनी तशरीफ रख के अपने ख्वाबगाह में जाता हूँ, तो मेरे लिए तो वो जगह वहीं रहेगी, चाहे वो गोल्डन हो चाहे वो प्लेटिनम हो।
मैं भी वही रखता पर मैं किसी गेस्ट को अलाउ नहीं करता मेरे बाथरूम में घुसने के लिए. ये सोने का सिंहासन मेरा है.
नहीं तो आदमी खुरच के लिए
हाँ,
जाता है।
मतलब. और कभी अगर कम पैसे बढ़ गए तो खाद में थोड़ा थोड़ा आके बेच के आ गए और फिर अगले कमोड की तरफ.
right in the living room. I'd be very proud and I'd flaunt it.
Commode in the living room.
Yeah, proud and flaunted.
It's a
And
golden
I'm
commode.
weird anyway, so it can be expected. If you're welcome in my house, you should be welcome to such quirks. So
But does it have a plumbing connection in the middle?
Obviously
of,
not.
Acha, just asked. I thought maybe.
it's a piece of art.
Okay.
You should look at art as art.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay, so we are starting with the rapid fire. So describe Moonwalk in one word each.
Thrilling.
Grey.
Crazy.
Golden commode or precious necklace?
Golden commode all the way.
Commode all the way.
Necklace.
Necklace. Yeah, see? The funniest co-star on set?
Ajay Bhuyan, director.
All agree. All
Yeah,
agree on that
agreed.
thing. He is character. I'm telling you, he is character.
Every
Ding dong.
character. He's actually
He's
every
ding dong.
character a little bit.
Director Ding Dong.
Yeah.
One role from a movie or a series you wish you had played?
There's so many.
Yeah.
So many. You can't justify with one.
I mean. सोचो भाई. कोई.
मैं recent time में I have seen Murder in Mahim.
Yeah.
So in that there are 2-3 good characters are there, and that guy I'm forgetting his name. Yeah, I don't know his name. He played Ashutosh Rana's son. He did fantastic job in that. So that that is uniqueness. And like in one show, Vijay Verma has done what is that show? For
जाने जा? No.
no, his early show.
Made in Heaven.
No. Carry on, guys. मैंने एक अपना बता दिया.
ठीक है. तू बता.
शी में जो विजय वर्मा ने किया था.
She में. हाँ.
She, yeah.
Oh, yeah, she, of course. Vijay. Haan. Sorry. Which show, na? Mine is international. It's Fleabag and Inventing Anna and Killing Eve. Like, I have so many. I have a
Ragnar
list.
Lothbrok, Tommy Shelby. अब इस तरीके से तो जाते जो तो लिस्ट लंबी होती
भाई फिर हम करेंगे अमिताभ बच्चन and विजय आदित्य.
राजकुमार राव recently done.
Yeah, that's what I do.
राजकुमार ने जो
Oh my God,
किया
yeah.
है,
Guns and
वो जो-
Collabs.
हाँ? नहीं that
Stree.
mute and dumb person, a blind person.
Of course.
I think guys, she's
this-
waiting for the next question now.
No.
Yeah.
I think she's done. Huh?
No. So okay. So last, stealing for love
Shrikant.
or
Shrikant.
stealing for treasure. What would you pick?
Stealing for love or stealing for treasure?
Yeah.
Stealing only for love, yeah. What is treasure?
My
The
name.
true treasure is in love.
True love. Yeah.
My name means treasure, so.
You are precious.
My name means treasure. Nidhi means
Yeah, yeah,
treasure.
yeah.
Chandni also means Chandi.
So
Treasure.
love. Let's vote for love.
Love only.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Sameer Kochar.
Hi, my name is Nidhi Singh.
और मैं हूँ अंशुमान पुष्कर.
And you're watching us on?
At Gali.
At Gully.
Yo.
Showbiz.
There you go.
गली 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 में.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.